Since October, Cardano has certainly made some noise. And the reason for that is because Cardano broke out of not one, but two long-term horizontal resistance lines. So we had talked about Cardano trying to break above 25 cents, if you guys remember, earlier this fall. But the yearly high was sitting at 45 cents. It was creating this little bit of a trap. And we had talked about if we were able to break through 45 cents, well, look out, because we have some upside potential. So in this video, I want to talk about Cardano. Is it done here in 2023? Will we see the rally continue maybe when Solana is finished on its rally? That's what we're going to dive into in this video, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. And as you guys know, I'm out of my element here, out of my office a little bit, but always catching up on the news. And I came across a really good article talking about Cardano from a technical analysis perspective. And I wanted to bring it, to you guys just in any way I can, right? So I'm here for you guys every single day. Let me know you're here by smashing that like button. Appreciate you guys so much. So the weekly time frame relative strength index, or RSI, and price action are both bullish right now, but we need to get above 68 cents, and not just above it. We need to have a close, a daily close above 68 cents, because that's where we stalled out. Right now we're trading below that, obviously. If we can get back above 68 cents, that is when we'll see that 75 to 90 cent price target with Cardano. And I know a lot of people have ADA right around that 90 cent to a dollar level. And I do think we'll get there, obviously. Just when, right? Will it happen later this year? Will we see some capital start to rotate over? Right now, what's happening with Solana is just absolutely insane. I mean, it has just not slowed down. At last check, it was like $108. It continues to just burst through all expectations right now, and it's filling every gap that's there. But eventually, if history repeats itself, because we're in kind of this market where it's not full-fledged bull season, it's not full-fledged altcoin season, it's accumulation season. And what we're seeing is capital rotate around from different altcoins to different altcoins. We've seen different layer ones pump now in the last couple months, whether it's Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Aptos, and others, right? Injective has been a huge one as of late as well. Maybe when Solana quiets down, we'll see some of this capital rotate into Cardano. Now, something else that's happening with Cardano, and we're going to get into some of more of the technical analysis stuff here later on in this video. But another thing that's happening with Cardano is SNEC and this meme coin rally. What's really helped Solana surge is Bonk getting listed on Coinbase. They had a couple other cryptos get listed on top tier exchanges. Their tokens within their ecosystem are performing well, and it has people acquiring more Solana and holding on to it as well. And if this same thing could start to play out with SNEC, which right now sits at a $130 million market cap, if we all of a sudden see SNEC start to make a surge, which I'm invested there, you guys know how I feel about Cardano. I am a SNEC believer too. I love meme coins, and this one on Cardano is the top one. It has a lot of strong community support, which that's what you need. And narrative. They've got their energy drink, which I love. If we can start to see SNEC move and get to a $500 million and maybe even make a push toward $1 billion market cap, you better believe Cardano will tag along with it and set new yearly highs, or maybe it happens in January. Now, in order for some things to kind of play out, we also need to see some things from a technical perspective. I mentioned 68 cents is the key number. We need to close there, and then we can extend this rally forward. However, if we look at this increase that Cardano's in, the price broke out from those two long-term horizontal resistance lines, which have been in place for 420 days, guys. 420 days. That's huge. Well over a year, right? This is what led to Cardano setting its yearly high of 68 cents. We broke through that 45 cent barrier and skyrocketed another 23 cents higher. Now, we're looking at the RSI as a momentum indicator to identify what's overbought or oversold. And readings above 50 usually show there's an upward trend, indicate the bulls have the advantage, whereas readings below 50 suggest the opposite. Now, despite the slight ADA price decrease, the RSI is above the moving upwards, is above the moving average, both signs of a bullish trend here as well. So on the daily time frame, ADA's price is expected to correct a little bit more before resuming to new highs. If we're just looking at it from the MACD, we're looking at it from the 20-day moving average. This is because also of the wave count and RSI readings. We're a little bit overbought right now. The bulls are kind of worn out with Cardano. We've went on a big run, but it can spark at any moment. And you know, one of the ways we look at things is the Elliott wave theory, right? From a technical standpoint. And this helps us identify recurring long-term price patterns and investor psychology, which obviously shows us the trend, right? And the trend is always your friend in crypto. And there's a pattern right now that shows the main resistance line is at 68 cents. If the price breaks it, it can quickly increase to the next resistance, which is not until 90 cents. So this is why this is so crucial right now and why we're having kind of a tough sledding right now, getting up above 68 cents, because there is another big gap to fill once we break that resistance line. Look out, Cardano could be heading to 90 cents next. We'll be keeping track of it, keeping tabs of it right here on the channel. Make sure you guys stay locked in. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.